Today we will finish editing our stories. Instead of editing our own stories, we are going to edit a partner's story. Why is it a good idea to have another person edit our work? Tell your partner or the person sitting next to you some things that you need to look for when editing a story. We can always look at our editing checklist to make sure that we aren't missing any important things. You're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to open your story. You will want to click the Share button on the top of your page, and you will share your story with your partner. You will read their story out loud. If you get confused about any parts of their story, make sure to ask them questions. If you see an error on their story, you can highlight it. Once you have completed the entire story, be certain to compliment the writer on something that they did really great in their story. They will also do the same for you. When you're finished, make sure that you look at what your partner thought you could change in your story. Ask them any questions that you might have about what they thought you should change or edit.